How's it guys? Daniel from Sail here, and this is the 2022 Norco Revolver first ride, second attempt. So yesterday was supposed to be the first ride, but me being an amateur, and this is my first couple of videos, I had some technical difficulties with the GoPro. I was able to, good morning dogs, I was able to get some good drone footage, so maybe I'll see if I can just add them to the end of this video. But yeah, bought this bike, got it what 3 days ago, and now I am taking a long lunch, trying to see this bike is all about. Little kicker. Okay guys, just to explain my situation quick, why I decided to go with the Norco. So 3 months ago, end of April, I had a big crash on my S-Works Epic, and yeah, initially I thought the bike had some carbon damage, and I sent it in, everything was fine, but they repainted the bike so it looked new again. So after that I decided to sell it, and the initial plan was also to get a bike on AliExpress, get some Lani parts for it, and try to do a lightweight build. I'm still waiting for the frame. I'm fighting with him, but it should be here soon. I'll probably make another video with that bike when that bike is done, when it's here. But in that 3 months I was able to save up again, save up enough to get this bike, 2022 Norco Revolver FS 100, and yeah, so far so good. Yesterday I went up to the lake road, up the lake road to the lake, and yeah, my initial thoughts was that the bike is super firm. I don't know if the pressure is too hard. I think at the moment I've got 90 psi on the front and 170 on the back. But yeah, it's firm, but it's super stable. So yeah, I'm super happy with it so far, with no issues with it. And yeah, let's see how the first couple of rides are. Okay, basically done with the ride. Just want to show you guys exactly what I got here. So this is it, the carbon pony. It's got the X01 axis rear derailleur. It's got the XX1 carbon cranks. I've got my Garmin power meter pedals. It's got the race face next, carbon seat post. Not too sure what saddle this is. Race face, carbon bars, forks. It's got the rocks, shocks, Sid Ultimates and Deluxe Ultimate, and then it's got the DT Swiss carbon wheels with Maxxis Recon race wheels, tires on them. Yeah, so that's the bike. Super happy with it. Yeah, let's see how it goes in the races. I'm planning on doing Attakwas in 2027 January. Yeah, let's see what other races comes up, and yeah, cheers guys.